Even your screams will freeze. One December morning I went up alone, seeking for my dreams in the bleak unknown. When I reached the peak I saw down below a snow-covered UFO. Blizzard warning, blizzard warning, blizzard warning, blizzard warning. Wind picked up and stung my eyes. I couldn't look away, I was hypnotized. The wolves started howling as it came to life. Yellow fangs sharp as knives. Multicolored lights from a fever dream shone from the ship with an evil gleam. The craft began to rise up through the snow. I knew it was time to go. Blizzard warning, blizzard warning, blizzard warning, blizzard warning.
Now that's what I call an out-of-this-world vacation.
Thundersleet.